guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be showing you what I got my kids for Easter in their Easter basket. So I have 3 kids. I have a 12-year-old, a 10-year-old, and my daughter who is 7 years old. So you get to see what I got for them, especially for their age range. But first things first, this video is in collab with my friend Shanti from Shanti Life Vlogs. I'm sure many of you know who she is, but she also has a vlogging channel, and I will make sure to have her link to her video and her channel down in my description box, so you guys go ahead and check her out, and I will let her introduce herself.
Hey everybody, my name is Shanti. My channel is Shanti Life Vlog. If you like grocery hauls, day in the lives, family vlogs, I would love it if you head over to my channel and come check out my video after you're done watching Yesenia's video. If you do decide to come by, please let me know down in the comments so I can say hi.
All right, y'all, so I'm first starting off with Devin's stuff. Now Devin is 12, and I feel like the older they get, it's harder to buy them stuff for Easter for their age range, because they really don't play with small little toys and things like that. But I tried to get them stuff that they will use in the future, like summer's coming up, so I will get them some summer items plus a little candy here and there. So the first thing I got him was a book to put in his basket. Now this book is Diary of a 6th Grade Ninja, and this is book 1. So whenever I make my kids any type of basket, I always make sure to add books in there, and they are big on reading. I also got him some swimming shoes, and I got these shoes from Walmart, and this is $5.98, and he wears a size 7 in men's shoes, and he's 12. So I got him some of this. I like to add some items. Now, if you guys have been watching my vlogging channel for a while, you can kind of tell that Devin likes science, he likes bugs, and he likes plants. So he's really into that stuff. And one time I bought him this kit from the Dollar Tree. That's where you can find this. And they have another one, which I probably will get him. And what he did is he found a spider in the house. He caught it and put it in here, and then he released it out into nature where he belongs. So if it was up to me, I would have just stepped on it. But if I would have done that, it would have broke my son's heart. So he's very sensitive, you guys. So I I got him this so he can catch more bugs in the house for me. So I got him that. You have to know your kids' characteristics and what they like. I also got him some flip-flops from Walmart. Does it have the price on here? Yes, it does. It was 98 cents at Walmart. So I got him some flip-flops. I'll probably get him some more, probably in different colors as well. I also got him a top 2P. I think that's what it's called. Let me see if I can focus on it very well. Yep, and I got this from the Dollar Tree. Now the Dollar Tree is a perfect place for you to get things as fillers, only that when they get older, it's so much harder for you to find stuff to get for the kids. I also got him some swimming trunks as well. So I got these from Walmart. This is the Wonder Nation brand. And the thing is, Devin's very skinny, so he's gonna have to like tighten this thing up, because he had like an accident at the beach a few years ago where his swimming trunks went into the ocean, and let's just say it was time to go home. So this was $6.98. Let me see if I can focus in. So this was at the Wonder Nation brand, and I got him 2, so I put the other one away. So our Walmart here already came out with all of their summer stuff, sandals, everything, but it's getting pretty warm here. Yesterday it was 84 degrees, and today it's going to be 82. So yes, I'm ready for it. I also got him a little candy, like this is a bunny, and I got this from Dollar Tree for $1. So I try not to make the entire basket full of junk. I try to get them stuff that they need, and also some candy, because that's something the kids look forward to. I also got him a yo-yo from the Dollar Tree, and I got it in blue because that's his favorite color. I also got him a chocolate. Now Devin is a chocoholic. Now when I was pregnant with him, y'all, I literally had to drink chocolate milk breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It's just something that I had to have. And before my husband would leave for work, he would have my chocolate milk ready on my nightstand. By the time I woke up, my chocolate milk would be ready. So it's crazy that he literally loves chocolate now, and that's how it was when I was pregnant with him. I also got him some swimming goggles, which I got a pack of 3 last year for everybody. So when summer was over, I bought a bunch of swimming stuff. So it was $1 for a pack of 3, and then I still had it. So what I did, I just split them up. A lot of stuff I get it after the season is over. That's the best time to get stuff. I also got him a pack of M&Ms for Easter as well. Now my kids collect Pokemon cards, so Dollar Tree is a great place for you to find Pokemon cards. So each kid got 3 of the Pokemon cards as well. Now I can't stand these, like I don't like them. I don't like the taste, I don't like the texture, but my kids tried them and they love it. The Peeps, y'all, comment down below, do you guys like these things? Like, I just think they're so nasty, but my kids like it, so just because I don't like it don't mean they shouldn't have it, you know. So I got that for them. And last but not least, I also got him a egg Skittles thing that I got also from the Dollar Tree. I'm telling you, the Dollar Tree is great for fillers. And by the way, I don't know if I mentioned this, all of the baskets, I got them actually from the Goodwill in Charlotte, North Carolina. That was in my Charlotte vlog that is like a few videos back. If you guys haven't watched it, just check it out. Anyway, I was able to find those baskets in there for 99 cents. I was going to buy them from Walmart, but then I saw it, the baskets there, for a lot cheaper. So definitely check out your Goodwills because they had tons of baskets. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to find the baskets all in the same size, but I'm completely fine. So let me start off with my I'm doing now my second child, which is my boy David. He is 10 years old. So the older they get, the less they play with toys. So he is bigger than my oldest son, Devin. They always think Devin's my middle child. He's not. He's my oldest. David is my taller child. He is 1.5 inches taller than me, and I'm like 5'4". Anyway, he wears a size almost 10 in men's shoes, and he's 10 years old, about to be 11, y'all. So I got him a men's size 9-10 flip-flops as well for him, and this was also 98 cents. I also got him some swimming shoes from Walmart. So I got him these, and these were $5.98 as well. And this is a size 9-10. David is really into Minecraft, and he is really into Roblox. So I got him a Minecraft book, and I ordered this from Amazon. So I figured he would enjoy this series. I try to encourage reading as much as possible. So like right before bed, they have to read 30 minutes before going to sleep. I feel like it calms down their mind. It takes them off of electronics, and I feel like they sleep well. Plus, it's also a requirement at school. So that, I also got him, this was actually comes from the Dollar Tree, like a football thing that he gets to throw. He actually likes throwing footballs and likes to play basketball. So I got him this. I figured he'd like it. So I got this from the Dollar Tree from him. I also got him some swimming trunks, but I found these at the Goodwill in Charlotte, and I paid $2 for this. So this is a men's swimming trunk. So I got this for him, and I got lucky because I was gonna go to Walmart and buy him one, but I didn't have to because I found it in the Goodwill in Charlotte. And yes, I shop at the Goodwill all the time, especially for my kids and for myself. If I can find it cheaper, why not? I also got him 3 Pokemon cards as well. I tried to do things equally as much as possible, especially between the boys. So I got him some Pokemon cards. I also got him the same top 2 P, but his favorite color is red and green. So I was able to find him the red one. I also got him some Peeps, and I got it in the yellow color. They actually like this stuff. I just can't. I got him a white chocolate because he told me white chocolate is his favorite, so I got him this one. I got David a yo-yo, and I was afraid that when I would go to Dollar Tree, I wouldn't be able to find anything for the boys, but I'm just glad I was able to find something. I also got him, instead of the Skittles egg, I knew he would like the Sour Punch better because he likes things that's sour. So I got him this one. I got him also a candy, but instead I got him a Chicks one. Y'all, I'm sorry that I keep looking over there, but there's a gecko right outside my window. That's so cool. We got a lot of geckos here. One of them got in my house one time. So I got him this as well. I also got him a swimming goggles. So one thing, there's a few things I'm going to be getting for them that's not really going to be in the Easter basket. So I want to get more sunscreen. What else? I want to get them some summer pajamas and stuff like that, but they can't all fit in the Easter basket. So I will be getting that separately soon. So I got him some swimming goggles. And last but not least, I also got him a box of M&Ms. So that's what I got them, but I will be getting them some other stuff to get things ready for summer, because a whole year goes by and they have grown so much. So when the pandemic first started, I barely bought them any clothes because they were doing virtual school. I barely had to buy them anything, so I have to kind of catch up and buy them some new items like pajamas and things like that. All right, y'all, I will do now my youngest child, which is my little girl Desi. Now Desi was very easy to shop for. She is 7 years old and she is still into bubbles and chalk and all the things. So for my baby girl, I got her this book, which is called Hair Love. They sell it on Amazon, and I was like, yes, anything like this. I like to get books like this for my daughter. You know, I feel like they should be able to see themselves. And I don't know if you guys even watched this show, Hair Love. I think it was on Amazon Prime, but it might be also here on YouTube. It's like a 6-minute video, and I thought it was pretty funny, but it is so good. So I know she's going to enjoy this book because it's all about her hair and her dad trying to do her hair. So I thought it was pretty funny, and I got this book for her. I also got her some swim shoes, but these shoes I got them from Carter's. Let me back this up a little bit. Yeah, I got them from Carter's and they were on clearance for $5. No, $5.99. It was 82% off because they normally run $34. Like, who gonna pay that for some swim shoes? Not me. So I got her these for swimming, and she can also play in these as well. These are actually Oshkosh. So whenever I go to any store, I go to the clearance section first. So I got her those, and I found these flip-flops at Ross. These Nike flip-flops, I know for sure she's gonna love it. It's like a purplish, very light pink color. And this was $9.99 at Ross, but I was able to find it, and I found this a while ago. I apologize if the lighting keep coming in and out. The clouds keep passing by like the cup, and it'll get dark and then it'll get light again. So I got these actually a while ago, and I just saved them and put it away for her because I like to pick things up and I'll just hide it away, because if I know I'm going to make an Easter basket, I'll just get things ahead of time, so when Easter comes around, you don't have to buy everything all at once and break the bank, you know. So if you know like a birthday's coming up ahead of time, just buy if you see something that's on clearance or something, just buy it and just put it away, so when the time comes you don't have to worry about getting anything. So I got her those. I also got her a bathing suit because all of the ones last year don't fit her at all. So this is a size 10-12 plus, and it was $9.88 at Walmart, and it's unicorn. I know she will love it. She loves everything unicorn mermaid. She's a princess unicorn mermaid according to her. So how that happens, I don't understand, but I thought this was so cute, and it has like this I'm sorry for the lighting, this sequence thing right there, and it was $9.88 at Walmart, and this was the last one. It says plus, but I know for sure she'll still fit it fine. But I got her that one. I also bought her a nightgown. So usually summertime, she loves her nightgowns in general, but it's a summer nightgown, and this was I thought it was Walmart. No, it's TJ Maxx, and I also bought this a few months back, and it's a watermelon nightgown. It has like, it's from Cat and Jack. So this is a Target brand, but they had it at TJ Maxx. So I saw it and I put it away for her. A lot of stuff I see more for my daughter, I just go ahead and put it away where she don't see it, because if she sees it, she wants to wear things right away. So I just hide it. And this was $5.99. So I got her this nightgown, and here in Georgia it gets hot. It gets very, very hot. So I also got her a yo-yo as well, even though I know for sure this is gonna get lost, but I like to get things so like that is equal. And why didn't you get me a yo-yo too? So I got her a yo-yo as well. Unfortunately they didn't have pink, so I got her a green one. I also got, well, I bought this last year after summer. Walmart had it in their clearance section, and I always check Walmart clearance whenever I'm in Walmart, especially after summer sale. When summer's over, they had this in the clearance section for $1 at Walmart. So I got her this one. This one is a Trolls. I even took the tag off. It had like the yellow tag right here, but it's a Trolls swimming goggles. So I got this from TJ Maxx, and I had to hide it away because as soon as I saw it, I'm like, this is perfect for her Easter basket. And I bought it back in January. And it's the sunglasses. It's like a little daisy right here with the little tiny carrying purse for her sunglasses. So this was $5.99. And then recently when we went to the store, she saw it. She's like, oh, can I get one? I'm like, no, you good. You don't need no more glasses. But I had already bought her one. So we also, so she'll be excited to get this. So like I said, my daughter is 7, so she's really into the bubbles and stuff right now. So I got her a bubblegum microphone. As you can see, the brand is right there. I didn't even know they had their own brand of stuff, but I don't know if it smells like bubblegum. I'm too afraid to even open it, but I got her this from the Dollar Tree. Now, if you have younger children, the Dollar Tree is a great place for you to get a lot of Easter items. I also got her the rabbit, the chocolate rabbit, but this one is the cookies and cream, and I know for sure she will love this one. I got her a M&Ms as well. I also got her a container of chalk from the Dollar Tree. I think it's a great deal for how many you get in here, and she loves playing with chalk. I wish the boys would still play with chalk, but they have outgrew that stage. So I got her one of these. I also got her some Pokemon cards as well because she pretty much does the same thing as her brother. So I got her some Pokemon cards. A egg Skittles, a Skittles full of an egg full of Skittles, sorry. So I got her that. And I got her the pink peeps as well. And then last but not least, I also got her the bunny with the little candies in the inside, and that's everything that I got for all 3 of my kids. And then at Dollar Tree, I also was able to buy the Easter bags to put to wrap the baskets in. So I got that as well from the Dollar Tree. Each pack comes with 2 in it. Her basket was bigger. I wish I could get them all in the same size, but this one is like white and pink. So, and then I bought the filler from the Dollar Tree to make it look, you know, nice and full. But you really don't have to break the bank when it comes to buying stuff for Easter. I get things here and there, and then I just add it to the Easter basket. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to head over to my friend Shanti's channel and check her video out as well. I will make sure to leave her link down in my description box. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already, and keep a lookout for my next videos, guys.